What's up, Frisbee sessions? Definitely Saints addiction. I love my life, and now you know why. It's an addiction, bro. We're all Frisbee addicts. Everybody's catching it, throwing it. Two birds in the sky. Two hit each other. I've never seen anything like it. Ooh, off the sand. All the way to them. Nicely done. Oh, caught it. Oh, caught it. Maybe catch it. Yeah. Oh.